Okay, part 2 of the best 10K per month side hustle for right now and the foreseeable future is Ads Manager. Yesterday I made a video on how ads management is in demand because companies are moving over from platforms like advertising on newspapers, billboards, TV, and instead they want to be on platforms just like this to advertise their products, their services, etc. So someone asked me yesterday, well, how do you get clients as an ads manager? There's many ways. Number one, you know how to run ads, so you can run ads for yourself. And number two, if you tell all your friends, family, network, we've had many students in the program get clients before they were even ready because they just told everyone like, hey, I'm getting into ads management. If you need or have any questions, let me know. As well, there's lots of networking events that you can attend locally. There's all kinds of usually business, commerce, of chamber of commerce. If you live in a small place where there aren't any, you can just hold your own meetup. You can go to meetup.com, hold your own business meeting just as a business networking event so that you can invite people to talk about their businesses, what they do. You would be shocked at how effective that could be at getting clients. So with those three strategies alone, most of our students in the program are able to get clients. And there are absolutely other strategies that you could try too.